excited or what? Hey Wesley, what time we starting? I've been waiting all day for that. Truck's a little froze there, fellers. Damn, that's good on them carriage. Hey boys. Running in stupid cold weather, grease everything you can. Is there any, I don't know if there's any additives in the machines or not. Okay, there's plenty on the shelf. And I got a whole box of grease too. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining us for another episode on Sy-Con Excavation and Utilities. This one, we got a snowstorm in the south. We're sitting here getting ready. Tonight, it's 4:30 on Thursday. It's gonna snow all night. It's really cool for us because we don't get snow like you guys do up north. So it's pretty exciting stuff. We've got a small team put together, backhoe wheel loader, as you guys can see, and the skid steer are going to be out and about tonight. We're not doing public snow removal. We've got two clients that we're taking care of their commercial buildings, roughly 25, 30 addresses that we need to hit, and we're going to get them taken care of. What's your guesstimate, Will, on snow inches?
I would say 2.5 to 3.
Oh, I think we're going 6. I'm saying 5.5. 5.5. Wesley, how many inches of snow you think we're gonna get?
4.
4 on the money?
No, it's probably like 6.
That's exactly what I just said. Nate, how many inches of snow you think we're gonna get?
Like at least 1.
Okay. Rusty, how many inches of snow you think we're gonna get?
4.5.
4.5. All right. Colton, how many inches of snow are we gonna get?
5.
Okay.
5 to 7.
That's kind of what I'm thinking. Coda, how many inches of snow are we gonna get?
3 at most.
Oh, that's the most conservative answer we've had by far. I think we're gonna be 5 to 6. That's my guesstimate. Oh my God, Cy Kirby. I missed the ramps. Hey, little excuse here. I had to have boom. It's stretched out flat like this, doing the surfboard with kind of a flat tire. So give me a little break, right? Sub channel. Good morning. Uncheck. It's 5 a.m. Your boy kind of didn't sleep, but he kind of went to sleep at the wrong time. So may have been a little late to the start this morning, but man, what a beautiful morning. We're sitting here in the middle of Rogers. Actually, first stop. Is this his first stop, Dakota?
His first stop was across the street over there.
Okay, fair enough. That's right. So this is a larger stop for the backhoe. We've got the backhoe, we've got the loader, and we've got skid steer running a route. And we got Mr. Rusty, been out all night in the backhoe. We've got Colton in the loader, and we have got Nate and Wesley on the skid steer team. And they've got 3 addresses to hit as well. We're pretty close to the shop. We're right along one east to west highway. We're probably all within, what'd you say, 7-10 miles?
From shop?
Yeah. Centerton's probably 10 miles, I'd say, crow fly. We didn't realize, I think our snow predictions, we're gonna have to go around and get our snow predictions and see where we're at. What'd you say? You said 2 to 3, didn't you?
3, yeah.
Yeah. I remember that. I was like, yeah, that's pretty conservative for this storm, buddy. This is some Gulf of America type moisture, you know what I mean? Not some of that Gulf of Mexico. You know what they call Canadians? Snow Mexicans, bud. Came over here, check in with Dakota. Dakota's kind of running in between the guys, making sure flat tires, whatever could happen. He's pretty much sitting in the truck staying warm.
Yeah.
But at the same time, to be efficient about it, pretty old backhoe. Got about, in total, like 25 separate quote-unquote addresses, but a lot of them are grouped pretty heavily together. This one's pretty heavily together, and then his next stop's got 5 or 6 together. He'll be there probably the rest of the morning, but that's only within a couple miles to the shop, and he'll be able to get back. We're hoping to be done by about noon today. It's 5 a.m. We need to get energized. We need some brekkie, bud. The snow just brings out the old Great White North in your old feller here, guys. You know? Just absolutely love this time of year. You know, when the freaking rain just freezes before it hits the ground is just the best time, you know? Hey? Hey? right, guys. Appreciate you watching. It's still a long night. Big shout out to Dakota and Wes's crew. I really appreciate you guys putting in some hard work and caring about what we're doing as well. They're not just doing it to be doing it. We've all got a common goal. We've laid that out and we're killing it. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing the machines work at night as much as I do, because it always makes me smile for dang sure watching any machine work at night, especially when it's ours. You know what I mean? I hope you guys have been safe through this winter storm. I understand it's sweeping through the country. Be safe on the roads. Don't tailgate. Leave plenty of room between you and that other driver and just tap them brakes. Steady pedal. Be safe out there on the road. Give semis plenty of room. I understand they're big, but give them plenty of room. They're just trying to get home to their family as well. So till next time, guys, be safe, be kind, be humble. Be good. Bye!